Hey, what's up, everybody? We're out here in Walnut, city of Walnut. We're here to replace a new, I think it's a 2002 or 2003 Defender. They broke the quarter glass or something, I don't know, an accident or whatnot. But we're here to replace it. We're actually going to replace it with the dealer glass. It's the Land Rover Defender. We're going to be replacing it. This is a new window here from the dealer. All right, so we're still working on the right here on the Land Rover. So we already I took off all the glass. We already got it all prepped. We got to disassemble all of this here. So we're gonna be actually ready to put the urethane on, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the glass on. Yeah. So this is already the glass already put on. Right now, this is all the double set tape with the clips that we're gonna put the actual logo plastic that goes there. Look at it. So now we're putting all the moldings, everything back on from the outside, from the inside. See, now the next step is we're gonna put this on. So on this model, it comes with that plastic molding, the Land Rover over the glass. All right, all complete job. Everything done. Molding, glass. On the inside, wires connected. That's the antenna. Moldings put in place. So it matches just exactly like the other side. If you guys need assistance or any quote or anything for a replacement, give us a call. Check us out on our website, mobilesafeautoglass.com.